torí Òkíà ti ilẹ̀ Òkíà tó jẹ́ ọba pàtàkì nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn darandaran tí wọ́n ń dá àwọn èèyàn aláàmú ìlú kan ìlú lónìí. Gbogbo Yorùbá sì wà dákẹ́ nítorí àwọn tàbí tí kan àgbààgbà Yorùbá á sì sọ̀rọ̀. Àwa dárọ̀ náà dá Sunday Igboho nìkan.
Tẹ́nà ọba jíjọ, ẹnu Yorùbá ò lè jọ. Ẹ má fọ́n ta lọ́rọ̀ sọ, kọ́ má bàa mọ̀dé abájọ wa. Ẹ̀tàn náà fi gbàṣẹ ṣe lọ́wọ́ wa, òye wa. Níṣe náà brainwash wa torí tó bá dìgbà tán fẹ́ mú wa. Náà ṣe gbàṣẹ ṣe lọ́wọ́ wa. Yorùbá ẹ ti ń sùn, àní ẹ yé sùn. Ó yẹ ẹ jí máa sùn, kọ́ má padà mú wa ní rógùn èṣù. Torí ogun ń bọ̀ ogun ẹ tètè ta múra o. Ogun ń bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká múra o. Yorùbá ṣebí ìjọ lárọ̀ bá nígbà ní ló di ìjọba. Ẹ̀yin ọba wa ṣe bẹ́yìn náà ni bàbá wa. Ẹ má lajú yín sílẹ̀ kájèjì kó gba ilẹ̀ wa. Kàn yé pa àwọn èèyàn wa lójú yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó bá padà sáyé ọba, káṣe kan lè padà sẹ́nu ọba. Olóṣèlú gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbàṣẹ ọba, ṣèbí yẹn gangan náà pè ní ìjọba. Ó ti pẹ́ tí Yorùbá ti fẹnu ṣe, ó yẹ kúrò lóko eré. Lọ́wọ́ yìí ẹ dúró dédé kí tẹ́nàtì má padà lé onílé. Yorùbá ẹ ti ń sùn, àní ẹ yé sùn. Ó yẹ ẹ jí máa sùn, kọ́ má padà mú wa ní rógùn èṣù. Torí ogun ń bọ̀ ogun ẹ tètè ta múra o. Ogun ń bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká múra o. Yorùbá ìjà yìí kì í ṣe ìjà Sunday Igboho ṣá nìkan, ìjà gbogbo Yorùbá. Ó yẹ dìde ẹ̀yin alágbára, àsìkò ti tó. Wọn kì í sọ fáfọ́jú pójú ń rọ̀, òun kan máa mọ̀. Ẹ jáwọ́ lápọ̀n tí ó yọ, ẹ já gbómi lákàánú. Ìgbọràn sàn jẹbọ rírú, ẹ jẹ́ kójú àlà tó rò dúdú. Kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó lè rínú, Yorùbá ló dalẹ̀ jù, ẹ má fi bínú. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ẹ̀yin Yorùbá, gbogbo Yorùbá. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ẹ̀yin fẹ́ yọ yín nínú òkun lẹ̀ ń gbógun tì. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra olótìtọ́ ṣe máa jẹ ọ̀tá yín. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ẹ̀yin lẹ́dálẹ̀ Abíọ́lá àtàwọn lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ẹ̀yin lẹ́dálẹ̀ Túndé ìdí àgbọn. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ìjọ wo wà ní Yorùbá máa gbọ́n. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra Yorùbá gbọ́n àtẹnujẹ ló ń pa wọn. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ṣé kò wùn yín kápó lóko ẹrú ni. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ọmọ aláṣọ wa ń wá kìsà ó tún fẹ̀yìn. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ọmọ ẹlẹ́ran wa ń jẹkùn ó tún dunnú. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra gbogbo kan tó lè ṣàǹfààní fún wa náà ti kó lọ. Ẹ̀rù yìí tó ra ó yẹ dídí. Ó ti pẹ́ tí Yorùbá ti fẹnu ṣe, ó yẹ kúrò lóko eré. Lọ́wọ́ yìí ẹ dúró dédé kí tẹ́nàtì má padà lé onílé.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho nìkan, ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo wa ni o. A sì lè dáadáa olóṣèlú wà wọ́n ń lọ ni. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ọba ẹ má má dákẹ́. Ọ̀nìrìṣà, Aláàfin, Àwùjalẹ̀, Alákì, Ṣọ̀ún Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́.
You're welcome. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Akíwá wípé a kú àbọ̀ sí orí ètò. Mú kí ẹ̀yin ìyá, mú kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mú kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mú kí àbúrò, mú kí wá wípé a kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Zabby Talk Show, ayé ọpẹ́ yọ̀ṣẹ́ ọlọ́dọ̀ tí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ a máa yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ni ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ sí wa. Èwo la mú wá fún wa ní ọjọ́ títí òní, kí tẹ́nàntì kó má padà wálé onílé. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ̀rù yín tó bá ẹgọ́ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tàbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Àti ẹ̀mọ́ ibi tá fẹ́ dúró sí ńbẹ̀ náà, tó bá rò lọ síwájú, tó bá rò lọ sẹ́yìn, kọ́lọ́run kó ṣe dáadáa fún wa. Èwo la mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ títí òní pé ká sáré ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe máa ń ṣe. Ẹ̀rù bà mí, mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú àwa tá fẹ́ wo program yìí náà, tá bá wo àròjinlẹ̀, ẹ̀rù máa bà wá wípé àgbẹ́kẹ̀lé èmi àti yín, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kó já sásán. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ṣé mo pé ìgbà míì wà tó bá tiẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ fọ́mọ ẹlòmíì, ọmọ ẹlòmíì yẹn sì lè máa wò wípé èèyàn kan ló ní nǹkan yìí, bọ̀ kò ṣiṣẹ́ fún nǹkan tó jẹ́ oh my God, mi mọ́ mo lè ṣàlàyé ẹ̀. bọ́ láì má gbà wá ní àkókò nǹkan kan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé tenant landlord gan wọ́n ti fẹ́ rìn wọ́n ní ìhòòhò ìyẹn lẹ máa fi mọ̀ wípé inú apẹ̀rẹ̀ là ń da nǹkan sí ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àṣìṣe ká máa dà sínú apẹ̀rẹ̀ òun lọ́rọ̀ nàìjíríà ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́mi àti yín o ẹ̀yin ìyá mi ẹ̀yin bàbá mi mo tún kí yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pé a kó ètò àtúkù bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí ọ̀dẹ̀ ò dàbí gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé tẹ̀ ń kí mi lèmi náà ń kí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń kí mi pé mo kó ètò bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mo ń kí yín pé ẹ̀yin náà ẹ kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí níbikíbi tí ètò yìí tó bá bá yín bóyá lówùúrọ̀ ni bóyá lọ́sàn-án ni bóyá láṣálẹ́ ni dáadáa ló máa bá wa ní agbára lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run àní mo sáré ọmọ ọ̀ní gbogbo ọmọ káwa mọ́lé ní agbára ní ọwọ́ ọlọ́run mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ máa ń bá wa pín ètò wa mo dẹ̀ kí ẹ̀yin tí ẹ máa ń bá wa comment àtẹ̀yin tí ẹ máa ń bá wa tẹ like kó tó di pé ẹ ti ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìwògùn ẹ ti tẹ like mo mọ̀ lóore mo appreciate yín ọlọ́run tó láyé tó lọ́run kò ní ṣe ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́yìn nìkan èmi ò ní ṣìwí ẹ̀yin náà ní ṣe mi gbọ́ ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè ẹni tó ní property ní Nàìjíríà kò tiẹ̀ ṣe proper ẹni tó mi tiẹ̀ mọ̀ mi mọ̀ ibi tí mo lè gbà mi tiẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ ẹ tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà láti ibì kan bóyá tá a bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ibì kan because kí ni gbogbo wa pátápátá ló kàn gbogbo wa ló kàn ó kàn mí ó kàn yín ó kàn mí ó kàn yín advice kì í máa fún gbogbo wa ẹ rí i pé mo máa ń pè wá ní gbogbo wa ẹ̀yin nìkan kọ́ àtèmi náà gbogbo wa ní pé tá a bá ti ń gbàdúrà 1 minute tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ di 2 minutes lórí ọ̀rọ̀ báwo ni a máa ṣe bọ́ níbi tán dè wá mọ̀ yìí báwo ni a máa ṣe lọ ní tá a máa ti lọ́ ń lọ wa kí gbogbo rògbòdìyàn yìí kó tó di pọ́n rin àwọn èèyàn sí òwò tán kó tó di wípé ẹ jẹ́ ń gba ibì kan wọlé náà ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ gba ibì kan wọlé.
With all the equipment that we this property is owned by somebody, built by somebody, spend his hard-earned currency to do it, and other people's properties are there. If this place are not blocked, we would have been able to quench the fire in less than 30 minutes, 1 hour, with all the equipment that we have in Lagos State.
Yes.
It's so sad that with all the equipment that we have in Lagos State, there is no movement for the equipment to come in. Just simply because some people want to sell. We don't have to endanger our life because we want to make money. Life is more important than any millions that you have. Because it's when you have life that you can spend the money. As far as I don't care whether you are angry or not, I'm going to clear the whole road and vehicle must pass. However I want to do it so that you tell all your stupid developers that they should not inconvenience other people because they want to make money. And they are doing it, and they are doing it at the expense of you people too. If there's any fire incident, what will happen? To move. This happened during the day or in the night, and you see what you have caused just because you cannot get vehicle into this place. It's not fair. So don't let me be greedy about that I want to sell. No, please. Let us take care of our life. It's not about government. It's not government that built all this here. It's not government that pays the developer. It's because you are paying them the money, that's why they are doing it. You are the people encouraging illegality on your streets.
Ẹ má bínú ó láwọn ló ń pay developer ta ló approve ẹ̀ fún wọn ta ló approve developer fún kan tó kọ́lé síbi kan ẹ wo ẹni tó ẹ wo bàbá yìí ẹ̀yin máa jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ o ta ló approve fún wọn kí láràlú ṣe ṣáà ló bá yẹn ya plan òun ló bá yẹn ya plan street òun ló wà níbi tán ti máa approve tí ì rí nǹkan kan o ìrànbùlà yìí ṣe yìí o gbogbo wa pátápátá ló kàn àbúrò dẹ̀ nìkan wà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àfi kí káṣà bọ́ nínú kínní òun nìkan náà ni torí tó bá ń ba lọ báyìí ẹlòmíì gan máa sọ pé wo mo yọ̀ǹda fún yín ẹ fọwọ́ di ilé yín ẹ fọwọ́ di Áfíríkà mú ṣọ́ni lébùrà bọ̀ sí mi oko eléyìí ti wá nǹkan míì ti wá.
What do you expect this person to be thinking of now? You expect him to say that we don't have government? We have government. Okay. But you didn't allow government to do their job.
Okay.
All the money spent on fire, you people didn't let it show now. Because you want to sell on the road, because you want to build on the road, because you want to pay developer on the road. Please, let's think about our life first before money. I'm going to clear all the roads though. And people's things, valuables are going to go. So if you love yourself, go and pack your things and get a better shop. Go and get your things out and get a better shop, because I'm going to clear all the roads on the island. I'm going to clear it. I must be able to drive from one end to the other. I'm going to remove properties. Quote me.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ, I'm going to remove properties. I'm going to remove properties. Àwọn wo ló approve properties fún wọn? Ẹ̀yin people yẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Tàbí kí lẹ fẹ́ ká sọ fáwọn ẹni yìí? Kí lẹ fẹ́ ká sọ fáwọn ìjọba? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Tàbí ṣáwọn eléyìí gan tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń jọ́ lọ́rùn ni? Tí àwọn kan wá kọ́lé síbẹ̀, wọ́n kàn gbé wá lóru tó wá kọ́ síbẹ̀. Ta ló approve ẹ̀ fún wọn? Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn developer ó máa bribe wọn láti lè approve nǹkan fún wọn náà ni. Èyí tí ò tún ṣe developer gan tó bá lọ fẹ́ lọ gbà wípé ṣébi tó kọ́lé sí iṣó wà òkè, ó máa bribe ní bó wà òkè gan máa bribe, bó wà òkè ó máa bribe. Àti rí nǹkan kan o, àti rí nǹkan kan. Ẹ fi nǹkan léde, ẹ fìdí lé nǹkan, òun ni ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ìní. Ẹ bá wa tẹ share button. Mi ò wá ní jẹ́ kó pẹ́ now, tí ò bá ní pẹ́ yẹn òun ló máa dájú, so that a lè pín sáwọn tó wà ní Nàìjíríà, ẹni tó wà nílùú òyìnbó a lè ní lọ́wọ́, a dé lè máa ronú nípa ẹ̀. Bóyá ìrònú ẹlòmíì tún ti máa pààrọ̀, ó tún ti máa change ìrònú ẹ̀ sìn. Àti rí nǹkan kan, mo ń gbé mi ìbọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé prove tó jinlẹ̀ wípé òun tẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀ wípé oh my God, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ a bọ́ sí òhò.
I'm going to remove properties. As long as it's on the road, I'm going to remove it. This is no matter whether you are Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. I'm going to clear it, because the next thing people start saying is because you are Igbo. No! This has to do with people's life.
Okay.
The life of an average Lagosian or Nigerian is more important than whatever money that you want to make. So we should get it clear. We should get it clear. And if anybody decides to disrupt my staff, they are going to go for it. They are going to go for it. The more you disturb them, the more damages I'm going to do on your district. Please, government officials are here to make sure that things are done well. If you have been normal, if you have been doing the right thing, you don't need to come here today. If what you people have been doing where you have been selling is okay, this wouldn't have happened. This is somebody else's property that was destroyed because of your nonchalant attitude. See, let us face it.
Náà ó dàbí pé nǹkan kan ṣe fídíò yẹn, nǹkan kan ṣe fídíò yẹn. Ìyẹn la máa fi mọ̀ wípé ìwọ tó bá wà ní Nàìjíríà, yálà o mọ̀, ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀nà tó bá tún mọ̀ yàn another thing, but ó mọ̀ yàn kò tún count láwọn ibì kan. Kọ́lọ́run kó ṣe dáadáa fún wa. Ṣé gbọ́ statement tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni yìí tó ń sọ ní ẹnu? Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ká kú kíkú tó dé. Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú gbogbo wa lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Náà mo ń kí wa o, gbogbo èyí tí ẹ̀ ń kí wa wípé a kò bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwa náà ń kí yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún wá lọ gbọ́ èyí tó àti dé ojú agbami gan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré lọ gbọ́.
I personally.
Now,
Good afternoon, everyone. As usual, my name is Ralph Wazurike. As you can see this afternoon, Governor Hope Uzodinma sent his men, OCDA, over the Capital Development Authority, to come and demolish my house. You can see. I have been on this house for the past 11 years now or more. Precisely in 2012. I've been here since 2012. Before Hope Uzodinma became the governor of Imo State, I came in here
Like our video in. No. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá lọ wò ó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ ká tó máa tẹ̀síwájú.
The ground in the entire Nigeria, all the 5 international airports. Talk to us about the poor state of infrastructure. Now listen to what we want to do about that. The moment I came into office, the first thing I asked all of them, the technocrats and the bureaucrats, I said, where are the master plans for our airports? Especially the 5 international airports. How can you build infrastructure? Because you talked about infrastructure. Is there any way you build infrastructure in the world without a plan? Whether a house, whether anything that's even road, you must have a plan, an approved plan. So I did not meet any master plan on the ground in the entire Nigeria, all the 5 international airports. So the first thing I said, what have you guys been doing about this? So it has all been stop, start, all kinds of disjointed major development we have been doing. Now that like if somebody comes and says, I want to build a hangar or a 5-star hotel or something, you know what they do? Before I came to office, they'll look at the whole of Lagos or Mekia, Kano. Okay, there's a bush at that corner. Go and do it there. Where's your master plan covering the whole of the Aerotropolis? So I told Mr. President, we need to start with master plans for our 5 international. We are going to do for all of them, but let us start with the 5 international airports. Thankfully, the National Assembly listened to me because I made a presentation about the master plans to them, and they have provided the funds in this 2024 budget. So if you look at 2024 budget, you will see master plan there. That was what we did. Now we are going around the world. We are talking to the world-class international design consultants. If I buy a land, Shewu, and I don't have money to build a house, maybe I will go and do a design first and get an approved plan. I don't have money to build a house, but I'll do an approved plan. When I get the approved plan, I'll now begin to look for money to build a house. That's what we want to do. Now, why can't we be ambitious as smaller countries, even in Europe, in every part of the world? They have beautiful airports, world-class airports. They have hubs, proper hubs. So we don't have a single airport in Nigeria that's a hub. All we have are runway, terminal building. Runway, terminal building. That's the old concept of an airport. When you just land, you process to a terminal building. They cannot process you to another gate, to another place, to another wing of the airport.
Is there any of the international airport that you are planning in the immediate to turn into a hub?
All of them.
At the same time?
5, Mekia, Kano, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Lagos, and Abuja. We need to turn them, and we are looking for concessionaires all over the world to do these proper hubs for us. Now, the hubs, the modern airports, it's a total ecosystem. You have the hub, which is, wing A, wing B, wing C, going to different parts of the world. You have parts for 5-star hotels. You have a part for a convention center. You have a part for a shopping complex. You have a part for, then you have where you can plan in 30 years' time for a rail to come in. Because these days, air transport must converge with rail and road transport.
Similar to what we have in Abuja.
Everywhere. They must converge for you to be able to process passengers to their ultimate comfort.
So you are redesigning in some case because there isn't any master plan anyways.
No, the whole of the Aerotropolis, take note, not the terminal building. Like for example, we have 25,000 hectares, say in Lagos now. Tell me in the next 30 years, which in this whole 25,000 hectares, or whatever they call it, tell me where each building will be. Tell me which road, where the roads will be. Tell me where the rail will come in. Tell me where the shopping complex will be. Now, listen to the advantage of that. I will now carry this design now to be selling to our concessionaires. We are selling our vision to the world, not people coming to sell their vision to us. That's the disaster we have in Lagos, where they went to build a new Chinese terminal, that terminal there. Guess what? Planes cannot come into anchor. Why? Because 2 hangars are blocking planes from. So who approved that plan? Who? Because that's a lack of a master plan. Look at Abuja today that has a master plan. Because the more people are pouring into Abuja every day, you can say Abuja is seamlessly expanding because there's a master plan. You see new bridges coming up. Those bridges have been in the design since 40 years ago when Abuja was established. So when they know that Abuja is being, is choking, you see a new district will open, a new bridge will open, and they're just seamlessly sucking in everybody Abuja. That is why Abuja is as beautiful as it is today, because of a master plan. We don't have master plan. So I have gone to the basics now, to start from a master plan. And people are talking to us already.
How soon will the master plan be?
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n ẹ̀yin ìyá mi ẹ̀yin bàbá mi wípé kò sí master plan. Ṣé wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣẹ́yìn náà gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Òun máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti kò tiẹ̀ níjọba agbára lóníkálukú ń lò. Gbogbo wa la gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Properties tó máa mú balẹ̀ because kò sí master plan. Ìjọba lè gbé caterpillar dé street consent because iṣẹ́ tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa ṣe lórí ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ìsìn náà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe master plan sí Lagos State. Torí ẹ̀wọ̀ tó bá ní mansion, o bá ní gbogbo òwe ilé ayé lórí ẹ̀. Kò guarantee o. Kò guarantee ìyẹn lè máa fi mọ̀ wípé ìlú yẹn. Ẹni tó bá rí nǹkan tó worst jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi type ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Kẹ́ wá wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wo.
Lagos. We left Lagos. We came to Enugu State to invest. This is our place. Of mind. We were born in Enugu State. We bought the land. We were born in Enugu State. No peace of mind. Please. No peace of mind. I beg. This is people's investment. Look at. See,
Mo mọ̀ ẹ́ ti wo fídíò yìí o, bọ̀ ẹ máa wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹ o. Ẹ máa wo nǹkan tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹ o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbélé lọ náà.
Every house in the centenary is damaged. Every house. Show them around. Every house.
Guys, have you seen the latest now? They don't cry, yo. They don't cry. The one that happened in Enugu now, one of their brothers, they are now shouting because the Enugu state governor is demolishing properties. I remember when Lagos State was trying to do some exercise, to clean up the area and to make sure that the Lagos plan, building plans are followed and everything. They were shouting that it was tribe, that they were under whatever, that they were targeting the Igbo tribe. Remember when they were running their propaganda? So now the one that is happening in Enugu State now, who are the ones doing it? You can see what is going on. You see, I will play some of the part of it so that you will see some of them crying, You see, let them come and tell us now that it is a target for the Igbo people to destroy Igbo properties. So who is now destroying Igbo properties in
Nigeria for everybody?
It's a question I'm asking them.
Nigeria.
See, I told you that these people, they are only surviving based on propaganda and fake businesses. That's it.
This is the place I nearly paid for. Enugu State government. Pitamba, I beg. We do respect, boss. I beg. This message is for you. I beg. Now my only house be this for Enugu State. I beg. I beg. I beg. I beg. You understand? Begging. Okay, make I come up colony. I beg. I beg him. Now my house for Enugu State be this. I know there's another house. If there's anything we have to pay. If there is anything where we go pay. May they know. I beg. This is full-time sweat. This is full-time suffering. Boss, I beg. Be fast.
Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá wò.
This morning.
Ìyẹn lè máa mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run máa ètí ti wá gbé. Nígbà tó máa wọlé yẹn gan, ó reserve ti bọ̀bọ́ yìí nìkan sẹ́gbẹ́ kan. Bóyá gbogbo ìgbà yẹn àwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lọ rí àwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n wá rí pé lóòótọ́ ẹ máa rí wípé wọ́n dá mú tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀ wọn tí fọwọ́ kàn bó wọ́n ti kọ̀ọ̀kan sí lára. Ẹ wá wo àwọn tí òun ṣe 50 tí òun ṣe 100 tán ti wó ilé ẹ̀. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láfítà ìgbà yẹn. Fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti wò. No.
Was like, it's not me now, no can understand waiting they happen for the centenary, you understand? So they can't claim me waiting to happen for centenary. The thing, the matter long. You understand? Matter long, it plenty. The thing, if you haven't finished service, the thing just. So what I just wanted to say is, the Enugu State governor was not even aware of the destruction in centenary. You understand? He was not aware. You understand? That's what is even reaching me now. So I say now no come make my papa verse. Now I beg, make you no verse. Now emotions.
People know that this place is a private property, as in this whole centenary was owned by one person. I understand. So from what we were thinking before, we thought it was the Enugu State government, blah blah blah. But reaching here now, we are able to get the real information regarding this place, and that Enugu State government and the people in power and all that, even our governor was not aware. Even I was shocked that he even reached out to you guys. So my people, Enugu is safe to invest. Enugu is the one.
No. Níbi tí ọjọ́ wo ni irú nǹkan báyìí ló máa dé Nàìjíríà? Níbi tí bàbá oníkun yẹn tóun ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ wípé òun máa wá demolish àwọn house ló pè é, tó ń bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ bí ìgbà tó ń bá àwọn ọmọ school sọ̀rọ̀, ẹni tó yẹ kán sọ òkò fún. Irú eléyìí ìgbà wo ló máa dé Nàìjíríà? Torí iná tó jó ń bẹ̀ ni o. Wọ́n kọ́lé síbì kan tó yẹ kí mọ́tò gbà, mọ́tò ríbi débẹ̀, property yẹn jóná kinní kan, torí ẹ̀ lòun ṣe máa wá wo ta ló wà approve gbogbo ilé tán kọ́ síbẹ̀ fún wọn. Now, oh my God.
Ojoojúmọ́ rí nǹkan lónìí, oyin náà mọ̀ ń jó òyìnbó ọmọ. Máa sọkún dọ̀nà. Ọlọ́run ọba kó wọ́n ṣàánú mi nílùú òyìnbó, nílùú Nàìjíríà tiwa, níbi tí àwa ta ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ Báíbù àtọ̀rọ̀ Kùránì. Wo nǹkan òyìnbó máa sọkún dọ̀nà. Sórí pé Robert ló tún pa nọ́mbà yẹn sìn tó rán rí pé iná yẹn mọ́ affect àwọn èèyàn firefighter lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Sórí wọn tó sórí nǹkan connect mọ́ bọ̀ sórí Robert ló tún pa náà. Wo nǹkan ìyẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́. Kò ní ìdí pé tó ń fọwọ́ na páìpù mọ́ o. Òyìnbó máa sọkún dọ̀nà. Òwe kejì wo nǹkan náà wo.
Náà ọdún wo nílò ilé ìmọ̀dé Nàìjíríà níbi tí wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tẹ̀ dúró bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní láti máa wọlé. Ọ̀nìrìn èmi àti yín sí òun ní agbára ní ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run. Yorùbá nation no going back. Àrògbọ̀n kankan dá sí torí pé nǹkan táwọn eléyìí ṣe tàbí plan ìtàn ní lọ́kàn. Ẹ ṣàgbọ́n nǹkan tí mínísítà sọ. Kò sí plan kankan o. Torí àbúrò oníṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín, Nàìjíríà oníṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí wa o. Nàìjíríà ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ìyẹn lẹ máa fi mọ̀ wípé ìlú yẹn ṣe kò ń ṣe ìlú. Àwọn gọ́vnà gbogbo àwọn tó ti ń ṣe ń bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹni tó yẹ kó máa jí láràárọ̀ kó máa fún wọn lépè ni. Because báwọn ṣe wà yẹn, bọ́n bá tiẹ̀ lọ́ fẹ́ fọ́ gbogbo Nàìjíríà lọ́jọ́ títí òní gan, àwọn ti ra lé síta. Wọ́n ti ra lé bíi 5-6 mélòó kan síta. Wọ́n bá lọ́ fẹ́ fọ́ gbogbo Nàìjíríà dé ni. Kí ló kàn wọ́n? Díẹ̀ kékeré ló máa kàn wọ́n. Àwọn tó yóò tẹ́bi òpá wọn kọ́, àwọn ọmọ àtàpátá dìde ńkọ́, àwọn ọmọ atẹrọ̀fọ̀ dìde ńkọ́. Ibo ni kán fojú sí, ibo ni kán fẹsẹ̀ sí. Mo mọ̀ pé irú eléyìí náà dẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n máa fi kówó jẹ ní 4 years bí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ fi lò yẹn. Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ o, bọ́n máa tún wá pín owó yẹn léra wọn lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa ṣe àwọn nǹkan kan bẹ̀ títí ìjọba yẹn máa fi kúrò. Tíjọba yẹn bá tún wá kúrò, àwọn tó rìn sí òwò tán ti wó lé wọn láàbọ̀, wọ́n ti rìn wọn sí òwò. Ìjọba tó wá débẹ̀ á tún gbé ẹlòmíì á tún continue ẹ̀. Nàìjíríà ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín. Nàìjíríà ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín. Ẹ bá mi type àmì síbẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi ṣe àmì ńlá àwọn nǹkan táwa ní tá à ń fojú fò ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ gbé jáde wá.
Study by the University of Texas.
The popular African bitter leaf is now available in capsules, produced by an American company called Nature Herbal Life. For thousands of years, Africans have used leaf to cure and prevent many diseases.
According to a study by the University of Texas, bitter leaf can prevent cancer, prevent and reverse diabetes, prevents arthritis, and prevent high blood pressure. It also can be used as a weight control supplement. According to the February 2008 Journal of the Vascular Health and Risk Management, bitter leaf can reduce bad cholesterol and prevent a heart attack. Visit www.
ṣé bí gbogbo eléyìí ń sìn kò sówó kò síṣẹ́ kò sí nǹkan kan ọ̀n lè ṣe é ṣé tíjọba bá ní irú kọ́ńpìnì eléyìí gangan bitter leaf ni o bitter leaf àìmọye àwọn nǹkan tá a níbẹ̀ yẹn I'm telling you nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ níjẹta bọ́jọ́ wo mi báyìí mo gbọ́ orúkọ ewé kan lórí nínú fídíò kan wọ́n wá sọ gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó wà nínú ewé yẹn mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ mi ò bá sọ wọn má ti bèèrè lọ́wọ́ àbúrò mi gbà ewé yìí tó bá mú because awálá ní gbogbo kíní yẹn àbúrò mi bá ní òun mọ̀ ló bá ń ka nǹkan tó wà fún ó dáa fún báyìí ó ṣe kíní kan ó ṣe kíní kan kò ju bí ọ̀nàwà ló ṣe fídíò ránṣẹ́ sí mi ó ní ẹ wò títí ọ́fíìsì mi ló wà ẹ wò títí ọ́fíìsì yẹn mo páàkì sílẹ̀ òun nìyẹn ẹ jẹ́ ó ṣe fídíò mo fọlọ́run búra ó ṣe fídíò orí títì ókè ẹ jẹ́ kí wá júwe ṣe mọ àwọn àárín méjì títì níbi tó lè dúró sí kó tó kọjá according to style tó máa ń ṣe sí nàìjíríà yìí ẹgbẹgbẹ ibi tó kù ní black and white yẹn ibẹ̀ ni ewé yẹn wà àwọn lòun mọ̀ ló wà lọ́fíìsì òun ló wà ní around bíbá yìí ẹ wo àwọn nǹkan tí àwọn nǹkan táwa ò mọ value ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé ìjọba lè ṣe nǹkan yìí torí Ọlọ́run but Ọlọ́run tẹ wá níjẹ́ ẹ̀rí ṣe Ọlọ́run níjẹ́ ẹ̀rí ṣe Ọlọ́run á fún àwa ṣe òun dẹ̀ ní àdúrà títí wa ìyà yìí ti tó gẹ́ Ọlọ́run á fún àwa ṣe òun ni ṣé bóun náà ti gbà pé ẹ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ nàmbà rẹ̀ níbí báyìí èmi ni garlic o èmi ni ginger o oríṣiríṣi kí ló fẹ́ kódà gan bitter cola orógbó ó ti wà ní capsule orógbó tí àwa tá a ní lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ lófò tó bá orógbó ní 5,000 tílẹ̀ máa kún àtẹ̀mọ́ epo tí wọ́n ń sìn bọ̀ orógbó àwọn pípù yìí ṣàmà ló dájú ní tàbọn yàkà àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé tó máa lè mú ẹkọ́nọ́mì tó máa fi boom báwo ni Saudi ṣe ṣe táwa ò lè ṣe báwo ni China ṣe ṣe tí Nàìjíríà ò lè ṣe bọ̀ àdúrà tí wàá sì ní pé kọ́lọ́hún gbẹ̀yìn ṣubú kọ́lọ́hún gbá wa sókè ni sódà Nàìjíríà lè dúró lọ́tọ̀ Biafra lè dúró Yorùbá nation lè dúró torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yìí tó bá máa tún another 4 years tó bá máa campaign tẹ́lòmíì bá tún wọ ọbẹ̀ wọ́n tún máa dojú ẹ̀rù ni àwọn òde bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́hùn torí pé ẹ lè rójútu ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run òde ní jẹ́ kẹ́ rójútu ẹ̀ náà ni ó ń dùnyàn gan ni ó ń dùnyàn ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó dùnyàn yìí pé oh my God ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn ilẹ̀ tó ń.
And I don't want you people to think of you are coming back to the street. You are not coming back. If they are lying to you.
Fídíò yẹn ṣe kinní fún mi gan.
I have been here for 11 years now before he became a governor. Around 2016, some people came up to say that this place belongs to them. We went to court. They went to the back about a year ago or so, obtained judgment without any service to us. Jankara judgment, Oluwole judgment, without serving us. So immediately they obtained the judgment.
Jankara judgment.
We went to the Court of Appeal to question the veracity of the judgment they got. to ask the Court of Appeal to quash the judgment. Immediately we went to Court of Appeal. One Archbishop Lucius Ugoji started asking for my number. My lawyer told me that Archbishop Lucius Ugoji was asking for my number, that he wanted to speak to me. I said, give him my number. He gave my number to that bishop. That bishop called me to say that he is interested in this place. I told him that this place is in the Court of Appeal. Then I started thinking, just about a year ago, immediately he came into Imo State. They got Jankara judgment against me without serving me. I then knew that it was his handwork. I told him, I said, you address. This place is in the Court of Appeal. You know what he told me? He said, do you want the two of us to start fighting over land? That's what Archbishop Lucius Ugoji asked me. It's on record. He asked me, do you want the two of us to start fighting over land? I told him, I said, your address, I don't know you. I have not seen you before. I have been on this land since 2012. I don't know how you feel I should fight over land with you, the land that belongs to me. He says, okay, we shall see. He ended the call. After about 1 week, Governor Hope Uzodinma sent somebody to talk to me. As a matter of fact, he sent Professor Morrissey, the former INEC chairman, to talk to me, asking me to go and discuss with Archbishop Lucius Ugoji and his group. I said, His Excellency, he should tell His Excellency that this land is in the Court of Appeal. I am a lawyer. A matter that is in the Court of Appeal should not be taken to any other place. As a matter of fact, a matter that is in court cannot be taken to any other place for settlement unless we get the leave of the court. Unless both parties we get the leave of the court to settle the case out of court. Immediately afterwards, men of OCD started pasting demolition notice in this place. First, they gave 21 days notice. We continued furnishing them with the details that this matter is in the Court of Appeal. Bring more documents. All these are from the Court of Appeal. All these documents, Court of Appeal. All these documents. So lately they came with 7 days notice. They came with this 7 days notice. So we continue telling them that this case is in the Court of Appeal. We went to the OCDA. As a matter of fact, I went with my lawyer to OCDA to say, this case is in the Court of Appeal. We submitted all the particulars to them. About 3 days ago, we went to the Court of Appeal to get an injunction, motion on notice. You can see the motion on notice against the respondents, asking them, come to Court of Appeal and prove why you are using the governor and OCDA to come and demolish a property that is in the Court of Appeal. We served them. I personally sent the messages, these particulars, to the governor himself through his WhatsApp address. I sent to both Maurice Iwu, to both Anyehe, through IC to the governor, the chief of staff to the governor. I sent to all of them. I sent to even the DSS director, telling them this matter is in the Court of Appeal. You don't need to demolish this place that is in the Court of Appeal. But today, this afternoon, you see, all the documents, all the motions, everything, showing that the matter is in the Court of Appeal. They came here and demolished this facility.
Oh my God!
A place I built in 2012.
Oh
I've been
my
sent
gosh.
since 2012 up to date in this place, and you came to destroy it. For what reason? What have you got to do with a plot of land that belongs to someone? Am I a foreigner? Am I not from Imo State? Am I not from Igbo land? Why
mo kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi, mo kí wá pé akúbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí òṣèní láàánú. Nàìjíríà ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èmi àti yín. Eléyìí múyàn ní òtútù. Àgbọ́kànlé wa, àgbójúlé wa kò ní já sófo, kò ní já sásán. Nàìjíríà nìyẹn o. Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. Téèyàn tó lè jẹ́ landlord kó tó sùn. Tílẹ̀ bá máa mọ́ kò tiẹ̀ wá ní di tenant, ó kọ́kọ́ máa dẹni tó rìn kiri ná. Ó kọ́kọ́ máa dẹni tó pín ọmọ kákàkiri. Ó kọ́kọ́ máa dẹni tí ṣọ́ọ̀kì tẹ̀ ọkọ̀ ń bá dé ayé ẹ̀jà náà. Ẹ wo orú èjẹ ni ìsìn, ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe rìn sí o. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe rìn sí o. Ẹ wá wo nǹkan tí mínísítà wa sọ. Náà mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pé akúkọjọ ọjọ́ ṣe rí, mo kẹ́yìn ìyá, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí yín náà, ẹ bá wa fi sílẹ̀ ní comment section. Possible kí program yìí kó ṣe bákan bóyá network ni tàbí nǹkan kan. Ẹ bá wa ṣàrọra fi ìfẹ́, ẹ bá wa jẹ́ ká fi gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run á ṣe dáadáa fún wa, Ọlọ́run á gbàdúrà wa. Bíbá ìlànà mẹ́tò wa sópin sí lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Mo kẹ́yìn ìyá mi, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò wípé akúbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. One love. Bye for now.
Zabi Life Saver Foundation àánú lolówó fi rán wa la fi ń sọpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run àwọn ẹ̀dá tó ń jẹ́ aníparere láyé àwọn èèyàn tá a sì ti ń sọpẹ́ pàtàkì gbogbo olólùfẹ́ wa jákèjádò àgbáyé àwọn tó ń bá wa gbowó ṣètò ìrànwọ́ yìí lọ́nà kan àbí kejì. Lóòótọ́ ẹ̀yin gan lè jìká tí ò jẹ́ kó rí ó jábọ́ lórí ìkànnì Zabi Life Saver Foundation. Àkàìmọye ènìyàn lọ́lọ́run ti fọwọ́ tọ́ nípa pé ká mú lára bíntín tọ́lọ́run fún wa tá a fi ń ṣàánú àwọn èèyàn tó kù díẹ̀ fún láwùjọ wa láì fi tẹ̀sìn ẹ̀yà èdè àti àwọ̀ṣe rárá. Sẹ́ẹ̀rí bọ́lọ́run ṣe ń lò wá lórí ìkànnì Zabi Life Saver Foundation táwọn fúnni níṣẹ́ gbalẹ̀ fúnni lóúnjẹ tá a ti ń sanwó iléèwé àwọn ọmọ tí ò lóbìí àti àwọn ọmọ tó kù díẹ̀ fóbi wọn láwùjọ lọ́pọ̀ ìmọ̀ iye ìgbà láti yọjú tá a ti gbóúnjẹ lọ fáwọn tó wà nínú ìhámọ́ táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní correctional center lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà tá a bá lọ sílé ìwòsàn fún àbẹ̀wò àti pé ká gba àwọn ènìyàn tí ò rówó san lẹ́yìn ètò ìwòsàn wọn àánú àṣewá púpọ̀ nítorí ohun mèremère ohun tá a máa bá pàdé lọ́hùn àti ọ̀gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn tó ti parí ètò ìwòsàn tí ò rówó san léyìí tágbára wa nìkan ò lè ká. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí èrò wa ní Zabi Life Saver Foundation àti bí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ṣe ń sọ wípé kọ́wọ́ jẹ́ tó ti lọ síwájú sí i ló jẹ́ àmọ̀lógún fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin eléyìíjú àánú jákèjádò àgbáyé. Wọ́n ràn wá àti jẹ́ kí ètò ìtúbọ̀ tẹ̀ síwájú sí i. Ẹ jájọ pawọ́pọ̀ lé ìṣẹ́ òun ìyà nínú bíntín tọ́lọ́run fún wa. Ẹ lè fi ohunkóhun tẹ́ ẹ bá ní sọwọ́ sí ọ́fíìsì wa nílé No. 6 Bremer Street, Sabo, Ṣàgámù, Ògùn State. Tó bá sowó ni ẹ fi sínú àsùnwọ̀n Zabi Life Saver Foundation account níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ bá wà lágbàáyé. Account number 579-868-6013 FCMB. Fún ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé síwájú sí i lè pe èyíkéyìí àwọn aṣojú wa nílé +234-812-575-4492 tàbí kẹ́ pè +234-708-434-5696. Bákan náà ní ẹ lè fàtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ tàbí kẹ́ pè Dr. Zabi gan lórí WhatsApp nọ́mbà wọn +447-440-715-542 ní Zabi Life Saver Foundation. Àánú ló.
You're welcome. Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook.